Hello guys, in the last session we have learned something called display properties, position property, and we have seen how to use the box model properties, right? Like margin, padding, okay, and we have seen position, what is position relative, how to use, how to place the elements wherever we want, and what is position okay, fixed, how to fix the elements, like we have seen. So now we will see this kind of things, guys. Okay, this kind of things we will see how it's changing the effects. Clear? So now guys, when you open, okay, or else when I go here, concentrate, I'll go back. So when I search for any website, so what will happen? See, there is no underline for the links. So when I hover, there is an underline. Yes or no? When I place my cursor, it is applying underline to this link. So Java backend live course. So observe here. So when we pass, again it is applying underline. Yes or no? It is applying underline. So if you observe here, guys, that means whenever I place my cursor, the element is changing its current state. The element, it is changing its current state. Changing its current state means what? Okay. So when the user hovers, the element automatically it's changing its current state. Yes or no? Similarly, guys, observe here. Observe the link of this color. Okay, sorry, color of this link. Okay, observe the color of this link. So when I click on this, see, that means I have opened the page. I opened this page here. So when I go back again, see the link, okay, the color is changed. That means automatically it's changing its current state. Clear? How to perform all those things, guys? Okay, we will see one by one, and how to perform this also we will see, guys. When you hover, how to change the effect also we will see, guys. Done. So now go back to the browser and let me delete these paragraphs. Done. So now we have only this much of content here. Done. So now observe here, guys. Concentrate, guys. So what I do, guys, observe this PPT. So we have something called pseudo classes. Guys, what we have? Pseudo classes. Why we use this? Used to change the current state of HTML. What do you mean by current state? So this is the current state, guys. See, when you click on any link, if it is open, so the color is changing. It's changing current state. When you hover on this link, it's applying underline. You are changing the current state. So this is the current state. Okay, and when you go for this website, so when you hover on this, see, it's increasing the size here, and its zooming effect is there. So that is the current state. So if you want to change any properties when you hover, so we go for what? Pseudo classes. Then so pseudo classes are used to change the current state of HTML elements. How to use these pseudo classes? Right. So we have something called selectors. Okay. So you know the selectors, we have element selector, group selector, class selector, ID selector, generic class selector. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now you can use out of those selectors you can use any selector here. Then you should use what? Colon. So colon indicates what? Pseudo class. Colon indicates what here? Pseudo class. Next you should go with what? Pseudo class name. You can use any name here. So these are the names. You can use any name. Pseudo class names. So just I have given the syntax. Observe here. I have used something called P. P means I am selecting only one element. So it becomes what? Element selector. So you can use any selector here. So I am selecting what? Using element selector. Colon. Colon indicates what? Pseudo class. Okay. And whoever is what? Pseudo class name. Then the CSS properties. So now we will see, guys. First we will see, come here. So I'll go here, I'll create some two anchor tags. So here I pass Java script. Okay, Java script. Next I'll pass something called anchor tag. So here I'll pass something called Angular. So now save this. So and I will create new files, guys, two new files. So why two new files means already I want to show this effect. I want to show you guys this effect, how it is changing the color when you open. Why I am not using the files which is already present in my folder? Means I opened this also I opened, that is why. Already I opened these two files in browser, that is why I am going to create a new file. So guys, I am creating here new file. So I'll create the new file here. So the name I will give here js.html. So I created, okay, so I created here one js.html. So let me add here, okay, let me add the structure. So I'll make this as the Java script base. So I'll pass here something called Java script, right? So similarly guys, I will create, see here, hello, I am JavaScript. Just I'll pass one message here. Hello, welcome to JavaScript session. Done. So similarly guys, I will create one more, okay, new file here. The file I'll give it as, okay, angular ang.html. Yeah, so here I'll just change the title to angular. Then I'll pass hello